Hello, I'm Jesse,
And I'm Josh.
and we're going to show you how to fix your broken PlayStation. Has this ever happened to you? Open your PS2, place your favorite game in, only to find that your disc is unreadable? Well, I have a solution for you. Step 1. Remove power cords and turn off the PlayStation. Also remove the controller and memory. Step 2. Take your PlayStation to an open area. Step 3. Repair. And now for the final step. Step 4. Reassemble the PlayStation. Now for the precision work, use any average household robot to reassemble it.